Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Design. I am back with a couple of Happy Meal shares and I hope you will be encouraged. I am in a monthly with Allie Edwards, and I've shared this all last year and I absolutely love her monthly kit. To me, it's cost effective. I don't go and buy a bazillion other things. I just get what she has. Now, I did pick up some of the extras, and I'll gladly share those with you. But in this month's monthly, which is January, I flat out love this. And whether you're doing the one little word or not, in the one little word, you can use all of this, or you can use it in your memory keeping. So I have not opened anything but except for to take it out of the binder. So, all right. So the first thing, let's see, we have our January stamps. So this is the type of font this year, she was saying. So it is January looks like this, and it's got kind of a fireworks, kind of like New Year's, gratitude and hope, just awesome. New year, new story. Love that. January looks like this. I love that. So I love her stamps. They're really nice. I really enjoy them. So, alrighty. This is the only thing I hate when I have to open these. I always make a mess of it, and I don't like damaging the cards. So, let's see if I can do this without making a mess. So, I hope you guys are having a good day. It is a cold front is coming in here, and evidently, once we get past this one, we get another one immediately, and I know. My 77 day is gone for a while. I'm going to have to put on an actual jacket. So, but yeah, it's all good. But I know it's winter and I'm being a big baby, but I'm serious. I like it warm. I'm that southern girl, South Texas coastal girl. So, all right. So these journaling cards look like this. Goals make it happen. Love that. And of course, they're blank. There's that same as the stamp, just awesome. And these are all going to be blank on the back, so I'm not really going to, I'll show you one more time and that's it. January stories, I love, celebrate, enjoy. I have decided this will be a very good year, no matter what's going on, and it is white on the back, no matter what's going on, let's put our best foot forward. Let's focus on, I just read and watched a video on our, like, good, like, not meditations. What was the word you used? Words of encouragement. Make it a good day, what am I trying to say? Anyways, are they okay as a Christian? And guess what? Yeah, they are. I mean, I knew before I read it, I was like, yes, because God wants us to be focused on what is good and pure and, lovely and all of that, what I mean? So scripture tells us, and I just wanted to say that as we look at this, and it says, I've decided this will be a very good year. It's all about the attitude of the heart. I love that. Let's just make a beautiful, like you put a picture there, be perfect. So looking forward to this new year, and here's why. Well, after last year, that's easy. We will open the book. Its pages are blank. We are going to put words on them ourselves. This book is called Opportunity, and its first chapter is New Year's Day, Edith Lovejoy Pierce. That is really encouraging. January looks like this around here, and you've got, like could put pictures or 6 different things that are happening. You could state them and then maybe put a picture on the back. Gratitude and hope. I love that. I really do. And a new year, new story. Love this time of fresh starts and possibilities and brand new beginnings. Love that. And guys, excuse my nails. I took my nails off and I always give them 24 hours and I trim them down and I put all my nail treatments on them and all that kind of good stuff, which I am so thrilled. They are doing so good. I did mess this one thumb up really badly the first time I took my nails off, and so it's just growing out, but it looks fantastic now. There is much beauty in beginning again. That is a great one. I'm trying to think. I thought I had one more thing I had ordered. Hold on. That was too big to fit in the kit. So hold on. Yep, here it is. Okay. Wanted to be sure. Yep. All right. So, the kit also had these chipboards. New year, bring it on. Loving the story. Can you remember who you were before the world told you you should be? Ooh, that's interesting. 365 days. 365 new chances. I love that. In the end, we only regret the chances we didn't take. Start now. Eat healthy, sleep well, breathe deeply, enjoy life. Love that. And of course, I love wordfetti. You guys know that. I absolutely love when she throws it in. That is one of my favorite things. So these are some of the extras. So I got these little wood veneers, January stories, new chapter. Um, mm, mm, mm. Let's see. I'm kind of being lazy, not taking them out. But anyways, new year, new story. So a lot of the same things we just heard. Fresh start and celebrate today. Love those. All right. These are all different colors and sayings of frames for pictures, which I do a lot of HP sprockets. So they're like this big, but I can use these for other things. I can use these for journaling spots. I can do all kinds of things with those. And I love the frames. I also got these little leathers. Pleathers is what they really are. And I believe they're stickers. Hold on one second. And I'm so not used to having my nails. It's kind of, you know, you have to get used to it for a second. But anyways, never give up. Always have hope. Stay hopeful. Anything is possible. And hope lifts us up. So super, super neat. I also picked up an extra set of these stickers. It says, whoops, I've got sticky on that. Sorry. Choose hope. Nothing like a crafter's table, right? Okay. Choose hope. Hold on, I gotta pull my glasses. You got this. Keep going. Trust the process and feeling hopeful about the story. And you get 2 sets of each sheet. I love this. So this is my Allie Edwards January kit, and I absolutely love it. I had a few extra goodies, and I'm thankful I got those. Those are my extras. And here is the kit. And what a great kit it is. It never really lets me down. I am a really junk journal kind of gal, and I do junk them up a little bit, but this is probably my most contemporary style of memory keeping, and I'm okay with that. And it kind of just breaks it up for me. I don't know about you guys, but you know, do you ever just get in the rut and you do the same thing over and over and over and over, and how silly that is? Okay, so that's how I can be, all right? And I don't want to forget that you get this great little bag. I love these bags. They're fantastic. And what I really love them for is separating pictures in. So once I use everything up, I take the bag, I save it, and then as I put my 4x6s or even my little sprocket pictures, I can put those in there, and they save beautifully. And then I can pick it up, and I can see through it, and they're perfectly protected. Now, hold on. I was going to say I've got a couple more things to share. Yeah, I do. I just had to get through my pile here. All right, so I'm going to put Allie Edwards to the side. And if you have any questions, let me know. Be glad to answer them. And if you order from Allie Edwards or you decide to hop in and do the same thing, please tell her I sent you. Okay? I mean, I want her to know that, you know, I mean, I've been a long time supporter of hers. So anyways, okay. So I picked up some really fun stickers off of Amazon. And guys, let me tell you, there's some really great options out there. So I know I love shopping and supporting some of the major designers, but I also love to get really retro things that sometimes you can't find with the designers, and these are washi tape. So lots and lots of, you know, vintage retro pictures of women, men, all of that. And I love it. You know, I'm going to use that background paper there, and it's very inexpensive. So, and then last but not least, I wanted to show you that my kit came, my Die Hard kit came from Stamps of Life. I also wanted to say that when I shared last time, that was the December box. The January box just hit the post office, so I'll pick it up tomorrow, and I'll probably share that with you next week. But somebody very kindly said that's not the January box. It's really hard. So every time I share with you guys, recognize I sometimes don't get my mail for almost a month later. So and it doesn't identify as like December, January. So please have grace. Forgive me. I'm telling you, it's a mad world right now. So with every one of these, you get an idea card, which I so appreciate because I love that one. And then you get these darling, absolutely super cute stamps. Thank you. That's it. That is fantastic. You are I wish you a great birthday. Lots of fish and starfish and seaweed and seashell and bubbles and so cute. Then here are the dies for all of that and even for the tank and the bottom of the tank. It's so cute. I love all this. So, Stephanie Bernard is a lovely person. Oh, I didn't even notice. I got an extra die there. Oh my goodness. Let's see what that looks like. She is really blessing right now in all of her kits that go out. I have been overwhelmed with how much she is putting in them. So, yeah. Hold on, guys. I'm having a hard time getting this open because I don't have any nails to open it with. Seriously, when you're used to having nails, all of a sudden you don't. But I do love my red aspen nails. Let's see. This is, 2021. Oh, I love that. Oh my goodness. So if you can't see it, I'll kind of turn it this way. It's a die with a heart that you can cut it out. It says 2021. Then it has the outer heart that you can, cut that out. You don't have to have it in a sheet. Or if you want it just to be cut out within a sheet, you leave it that way. Absolutely fantastic. That's amazing. So I loved all this when I looked at it, but I definitely love that too. So as a planner, how perfect is that? I'm definitely going to be cutting a few of those out. All right, friends, I hope you enjoyed this. Come on back. We've got more good things on the channel. And again, if you sign up for any of the kits like Stamps of Life or Allie Edwards, please tell them that Chris at Josephine's Design sent you. Really helps us, and I really appreciate it. Most importantly, I appreciate you, and I'm just so thankful that you're here today. I pray that you've had a great day, that it's been a good day. And even if it's been a difficult day, I hope that you can find something in your day to be joyful about, something to be thankful for. Even in the worst days, if we can find something to be grateful for, we can just keep going on. And right now it's hard. I know it. So hang in there, okay? And before I forget, like, subscribe, do all that good stuff. Leave a comment. Tell me if you're in any of these kits. If you have ever subscribed before or if you're currently subscribed. And yeah, most importantly, I pray your day is blessed, creative, and lovely. I love you guys. Y'all take care. Have a great day. No matter what your circumstances, have a great day. Okay? All right, friends. I'll be talking to you soon. Love you. Bye-bye.